Okay guys, today we have Nissan Terrano 116 horsepower. Alright, so we have issue with the condenser, which is right here. High pressure on the hot side, more than 26 bar, which is the maximum pressure for the compressor to switch off. And that's what is happening. Most probably clogged condenser. Let's see. That's the new spare part. Let me open it. Okay, that's our brand new condenser. Okay, the grill is out. There are clips. You just take a flat screwdriver and push that clip down and it will pop up. Same way here. One more there and there. So you have total 3 of them. And here on the top supposed to have some bolts, but it was secured by cable ties. Then we have to remove that grill, the fan, connections. That's it. Ah, daar zit het. Sorry, listen to. Okay guys, the new condenser is on place. So the best way, the easiest way is to drill those 4 welding spots and remove that plate. Okay, the cooling fan is on place. You've got 2 bolts there. So let's put the vertical plate.